All right, we have a beautiful big large bowl of lettuce that I'm really excited to go in and wash. It is a little time consuming, but it's really good because you know what, it's organic. I know I've grown it, it's super fresh, it's high in vitamins and all the good stuff. So we're gonna go in and give that a wash and listen to the rest of the video to see how I harvest, when to harvest, and what's best for it. Okay, this morning we are harvesting some lettuce. In my greenhouse here, it's getting warmer, so things are going to bolt. You'll see this is actually some old lettuce that has gone to flower and going to seed, which I will seed save from. This beautiful thing, really, it smells still good, is all cilantro. It's going to flower, it's going to seed, and all those little green balls will become the cilantro seeds. Then I will then seed save from when they are completely dry, and then replant again, so I don't have to keep continuing buying. So some lettuce, like we see here, this is I don't know what one it is, but it's kind of like a romaine. It's starting to form. It's like a romaine here. It won't ever get like what you can see in the store. At least I have never been able to grow it like that. So a lot of times I just use loose leaf lettuce, and then I just go ahead and chop that off. So I'm actually going to go ahead and cut this off right here at the stalk, just one big trim, and then it actually might even grow back some more. So we've got some other small ones that are coming in, and lots of weeds because, well, that's life. So. And then over here we have some Buttercrunch lettuce that again I just can kind of been taken off. And here is some other kinds of lettuce that I really like. This one's a little more softer variety. And so the best time to harvest your lettuce is in the morning, after the dew has just dried off of it, before the sun hits it. That way it stays nice and crisp for you while you're trying to wash it. So here we go. Okay, now we're in the back garden and we're going to harvest some more lettuce. Any of these big leaves like this, I'm going to come in. This one looks good to me, so I'm going to come in, just go ahead and take that whole head off right there on that one. The other ones are still growing, so we're going to leave those alone. Those are called tennis ball lettuce. Those work really good. They're just really nice and easy leaves. I call it kind of like a loose leaf. Then we've got red merlot over here, and it's just so pretty. And then I'm going to head and get some of these bigger leaves right here like this. And so they still have the dew on them. That is totally fine. Keeping them, they're not in the sun yet, so they'll be actually nice, much easier to wash and a little bit crisper. And then see, I've been harvesting some of these over here. And then I definitely have some in here that I can go ahead and pick through, along with some stuff that has went to seed. Some kind of kale or something that I planted last year that reseeded. I kind of let everything go to seed, let it keep going. And actually, I like to let stuff go to flower so I can save the seed, but also because my bees happen to totally love this stuff. So they're out here foraging on this, a few of them, so that's fun. So I'm going to go ahead and get through here and pick some of this lettuce and some of this mesclun mix.